Okay, for these sentences, we're going to translate them into logical propositions. First, I still haven't found what I'm looking for. So for this one, if I'm looking for it, then I still haven't found it. I still haven't found what I'm looking for. So that would be the way to translate that one into a logical statement. Next, from the Beatles, All You Need Is Love. So there's a couple things that have to be stated here. So first off, we have to state that you need love. And I have to say that that's the only thing that we need. So for all other things, if it isn't love, then you don't need it. And so that would be the way of writing that one as a logical statement. Next, from Les Miserables, I know a place where no one is lost and where no one cries. So there is a place, and I'm using W for the set of all places, that I know. And it's true also that for all people at that place, no one is lost and no one cries. So that's the way to translate this, and this should have been the not symbol here. Didn't write that very well. Next, from the Blues Brothers, everybody needs somebody to love. So this means that for all people, there exists somebody that they need to love. So for all people, they need somebody to love. Next, someone is on your side, no one is alone, from, I believe, Into the Woods. So first, there's an implicit and here at the semicolon. So someone is on your side, so there exists somebody who is on your side. Then I'm going to put a big parentheses around this because we also want to say that no one is alone. So for all people, they are not alone. And so the first statement is someone is on your side, and for all people, they are not alone. Next, from OMD, from the Pretty in Pink soundtrack, you always said that we'd still be friends someday. So you said at a previous time, S, that we would still be friends at a future time, T. So for all times in the past, less than 0, there was a time in the future that we would still be friends at that time. So you always said, for all previous times, there would be a time in the future that we would be friends at that time. Okay, last, for the #1 song of 1990 from Hold On, Wilson Phillips, someday somebody's going to make you want to turn around and say goodbye. So someday, there exists a T. Someday in the future. Somebody, there exists a person, is going to make you want to turn around and also say goodbye. And so that would be the translation of that line into propositional logic.